Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to put in a real estate sign in frozen ground. This is Minnesota. We had about 6 inches of snow. It's 7 below zero right now in February. First step, tuck your pants or get your pants in over some boots. Have some good boots on. Have your sign with these steel posts. Have a bottle of water. And then get one of these drills that has a secondary bit. That first small section pulls into the ground and then pulls the rest of the auger in. So I'm going to put the water in my pocket and drop it. Of course, disclosure, normally you want to call and have the yards marked before you do any digging. But first step, I kind of set it in where I want it to go. And then in front of it, kick the snow away. Crowbar. Does everybody carry one of these big crowbars in their trunk? Okay, so I've got that hole here and this one. So, time to drill. You can see some of the dirt coming up. I go all the way down, pull it up, make sure that hole is exposed. Okay, and the secret is to put that one in and mark exactly where that one is. So I've got my hole in over there, marking where that should be drilled. Have fun with your power tools over here. Pray you don't hit a gas line. And actually, I'm going in 4 to 6 inches. So I've got these sides in enough. So here's the secret. Ready? Water. We start by just kind of filling in the holes. And of course, if your bottle isn't frozen yet, up there, more snow, and now you see why I need the crowbar to get these out. And give this about a minute, and they're rock solid in there, and you're not getting this out without the crowbar. God, it's supposed to be that one.